Hello, and welcome to Engineering Examples. Today we're going to be going over a brief intro into thermodynamics and a couple key concepts. So what is thermodynamics? And what I really like to do is break this word up into two components, thermo and dynamics. So the first term, thermo, kind of derived from heat, and the second term, dynamics, derived from work. So thermodynamics is the heat or work done on or by a system. So now jumping into some examples, you could have a jet engine like this, an internal combustion engine like this you'd see in your car, or a power plant that you see here. So a really important concept to understand, especially when analyzing these systems, is definitely the difference between closed and open systems. So jumping into a closed system, we're going to start here and just look at like a basic 4-component system that's pretty common in thermodynamics problems. Maybe you have to start some heat input, then some work output, then the heat would then be rejected, and then heat input as well. And you would have a working fluid that would just remain in the cycle and just continuously circulate. And therefore there would be no mass flowing in and out of the system. It would just be a constant mass. Therefore the mass would be fixed. Now if we kind of jump in and look at a open system, something similar to like the jet engine we saw earlier, we may have some fuel and air flow into the system, combustion process, and then get rejected as exhaust. So you have this air and fuel that comes in new every time, gets combusted, and then is exhausted. Therefore, the mass in the system is changing and therefore not fixed. Now, if we jump into another topic here, and this is called a control volume. So, what is a control volume? Well, a control volume is an arbitrary boundary that you place on a system. If we draw a box and we say the system is contained within this box, then that box would be the control volume. And anything that crosses that boundary or control volume would need to be accounted for, like work or heat transfer. And that's really all it is this convention of this arbitrary imaginary line. Thank you for watching. I should have a lot more videos to come in this series, so stay tuned for more. If you have any questions or specific examples you'd like me to do, please comment that below. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.